What's up, guys? Marshmello here with another new video or Auburn State, as you can know. In this video, we are gonna unbox this fake iPods. I buy first the specification, model i7mini TWS, version 5.0 plus EDR, speaker impedance 32, microphone sensitivity 42 decibels, frequency, many other things. It supports Android and iOS devices. Made in China. Made in China. So this is the iPod. Comes with micro USB. Comes with micro USB charger and a manual. Let's read it. Okay. Shit. Now open it. To charge, we have to plug this in here, and this is my homemade power bank, so I will plug it in. Can't know is it is charging or not. See, it is charging. The red light was blinking. The wire is low quality wire, so keep it aside. Now let's open it and test it. This is my mother's phone, so subscribe. Okay, subscribe. 55 videos. Okay, then first going to the Bluetooth. So the trick is to push these two buttons in here and here at the same time. Red and blue light are blinking now. i7mini is appeared, and now it is pairing. Connected is now okay. Now high up the volume. Now I will test them. It really sounds good. Now the video is going long, so this I am cutting the part. Thank you for watching. I have a link in description down below to buy this. Okay, bye.